All right, all the things we do. So welcome to the Auto Care Clinic. Hope you enjoy our show. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell. We're new to this, so we're learning. And it's just going to be kind of a day-to-day show or a once-a-week show right now. What we do in the shop and the cars we're working on, the problems we're dealing with. Because it's day-to-day changes. And I hope you'll enjoy it. And give us some suggestions. We're watching some guys. We like Dave's Auto out in Utah. And we're trying to kind of follow Dave and do it like he does. He's definitely more polished than we are. But we'll be learning and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. And these videos now. So if you get an opportunity, take a look at them and let us know what you think. Right. So how are we on our track for our goals? Alright. Check them out, back them out, take a look. Apparently we're off on our track. Then you have some reviews to read. You got a couple reviews you want to check out. You guys just keep up the good work, things are going great. Coffee up here, somebody remind me where that is tomorrow. I'm looking forward. So Lisa and John from Woodstock, we're down in Nashville, got a lot of pictures. I think they had a good time. It was the last graduation of Sales Fix Academy. From now on, they won't do any in-person stuff. It's all online or Zoom meetings and stuff. I seem to really enjoy it. We've got some reviews.
All right, this one's a 5 out of 5. Great as always. I've been a customer for over 15 years. As always, Auto Care is excellent and with a professional and very friendly staff who always make one feel comfortable with their work and recommendations. And the other one's a 2 out of 5. I'm just kidding. It's 5 out of 5. Great people to do business with. The garage treats you like family. They've been caring for my vehicles services for several years, and this is the only place I'll go. I recommend it to so many people. They go out of their way to make you comfortable while you wait.
Just remember that. If you see somebody you're walking through as a tech, in the bathroom or something, say hi, make eye contact. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, that's where our paycheck comes from. Thank you all very much. Anything else?
Danny, you have it scheduled?
No.
Put everything in your order. Good order, please. Same with you. Everybody else isn't that busy, but we've got a very busy schedule today, and we'll just put up a bunch of boards, boxes.
Plenty to look at. Make a good week. Let's get to it. We gotta move.
Tuesday. All right, thanks guys.
Everybody's time card in the payroll folder, please. Thank you.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. All right. It's Tuesday. It's kind of a rainy day outside, and we're just gonna walk through the shop. And we need the rain. Walk through the shop and see what the guys got going on. Yeah. Just a piece of it. This here's a Chevy Suburban. We put a transmission in it, and now we're programming it. The new transmissions come, and they won't work right until you program it. John, what you got going on?
Oh, I got some hot stuff. I think it's kind of like chain move. Cylinder one
On this Dodge, so
and it's got good compression. It's got spark and fuel, so
common problem on these things. Hopefully not. Not gonna be a good day for them. Jonathan's doing some brakes. What is this thing? All these vintage brakes on. Mercedes.
it's that.
Yeah, cool. Take a look at these control arms, front control arms, rear control arms, front control arms, rear brakes. Those are nice, pretty brakes. I'm a fan of brakes. Let's walk over to the other shop, see what's going on over there. So we started this in 1993. We moved here in 2013 with just 2 bays, and then we added 3 in the back, and then we put this on like 2021.
Hey buddy, what is going on?
Put a clutch.
You wonder about my house.
All right. We're going back or coming out?
Coming out.
Coming out. Cool. That'd be a good thing to look at, man. Run a clutch. Is it slipping bad?
Yeah.
I think the clutch in my Lotus Europa is slipping a little bit.
Yeah, it was slipped pretty bad. Had a really high clutch pedal.
I think you should do my Lotus next. Woo!
Yeah.
James is pulling out. Take the transmission. I'm gonna get transmissions laying everywhere. Woo! All these cars on this front row here are completed, ready to go. We parked the stuff that's not ready to go in the back. Customers get to walk out here and pick up their car. Look what we got going on today. There's Justin. Say hi, Justin.
Hello.
And so then we got right here a little critter living underneath the porch. I tried trapping him, and then I wanted to make sure he's still there, so I closed his hole and he dug himself back out. So it's always something. That's a groundhog. I'm gonna trap him and relocate him to a pond. So this is the system. We used to have to dump our waste oil into these bells like that. We want to make it easier, so we pump out of a tank. So this is our air-powered pump, and we seem to have some, it drained back out last night overnight. We seem to have some bugs we need to work out on the system. We're gonna go out back and take a look at the tanks and see how the tanks are. So follow me. This is pretty cool. This is a snap-on thermal imager. When I was a firefighter medic, I used thermal imagers of fires. We're gonna use it to take a look at our tanks. When you look at the tanks, once it figures itself out, there we go. Maybe. Man, I can barely see that. I think we got plenty of room in the tanks. I don't think the tanks are full. The gauge over there is showing low, but this thing needs to be. Something's not right with the thermal imager. Okay. Well, we got plenty of room. No, we need a check valve. So what I want to do is experiment real quick with this. Stick this in here. Throw it away. Let me grab one of these other oil drains. Full of oil.
You want that on this one?
Yeah. I'll go down this tube. It's a new oil extracting system. I'm making a mess, trying to make it work. We need an air line.
You do wire. Yeah, right here. Oh, you got one?
I got it. Let's see. Turn this one on. That off. That on. Yes, ma'am. Looks like it sucked it all out. Jump like that.
He's thinking it's something to put on the head. Probably is. That's it. Probably hit that out.
So, lots of drippings.
First, I'm going to start the coil. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to swap the cork on. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to check the print.
All right, so we got a check valve down here now, and so it shouldn't drain back out. But this is just temporary. We're going to replace this with a little small electric pump, and we'll do something different with the plumbing. It's just too much of a mess. So we'll figure it out. And it sucked this right out. You just can't do it too fast. Blow the pipes up. Barely crack it open.
It worked?
Yeah, it worked. So it's got a check valve on it. So although it's a check valve designed for water, so that's one of the reasons I'm like, I don't know how long it'll hold up to oil.
Yeah.
So the thing may swell, the little seal may swell up in it, and
Yeah.
but then put the hose up top.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, that's what I said. Long and you got that suburban thing, man? Yeah. Yeah.
No?
Got a temp code and communication code. Thing might be the valve on it.
Oh yeah.
Either the software didn't stick or they got bag.
Can we talk to it?
Okay, you can talk to the special.
Yeah. All right. So let's go see.
Like that. You said they won't be valve on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, what's up with the Suburban?
This one,
The one with the transmission?
trying to get it to program. Think we didn't program it correctly or connection.
What do we need to do then?
They're gonna reprogram it and see if that solves it.
Who's gonna reprogram it?
Yeah, but
The messages.
Yeah.
Okay.
we're gonna
We're gonna
try to reprogram it one more time.
Do we need anything else that we don't have?
I mean, if not, we try the pass through with Snap-on or something.
See if you can get that done. Call them up, set up an appointment. Get that there.
Yeah, I just at least try one more time.
Alright.
Verify that we've at least done everything we can.
I thought the hotel, you didn't need a laptop with the hotel. Hotel will go right out there and find the software, pull it down, and program it.
Try that too.
I've had really good luck on BMWs with that. Yeah.
They come on with that
We need to at least verify we tried to program it one more time before we call pass through, but we can do that.
Okay.
It has that big retainer.
Let's try that. All right, we're gonna go look at the Jeepster.
I haven't made wires yet, but I can do that later.
My plan, I'm gonna pull the distributor out and turn it 180 degrees so it's proper, so it doesn't cause us problem for somebody else in the future.
Yeah, that's what I told him. Yeah, sounds good.
I thought they made a kit now. This is right there.
Let's see what this is. So we figured out what was wrong with this. The distributor is 180 degrees out. So we're gonna pull the distributor out, turn it, and then we'll get all back up. And we gotta find the right size wrench for it. Not bad. It's 11 millimeter. So that's the distributor cap. So pull the distributor cap off. Take this screw out. I'm going to spin the rotor button 180 degrees. Put the distributor back in. Well, maybe it's not that simple. So it is just drop into the oil pump.
It looks like a necessary liquor.
You didn't get the idle. The island? Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, let's let it warm up some more. Okay, it's still a video. I know that.
I'm not happy with. Well, what I'm gonna do is
It's definitely the belt. Anything you put?
can you get one for him?
Sure. I mean, take off and measure it. I think it's
an old bell.
super dry rot. Yeah.
Is there a pry bar in here? Can you grab me a pry bar? Doesn't need to be a real long one. So we're gonna, I'm gonna take the belt off and see if it's on this thin water pump with the belt off. See if it makes one more. All right, cool. Water pump's nice and quiet. Generator's nice and quiet now.
An old belt.
Definitely the belt. Let's see if we can get another belt for it
I'm getting those.
before we ship it.
We're gonna drive it, but I'm not gonna drive it in the rain, so maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Take it for a long drive. Plus, I gotta put the wires on it.
Okay. Yeah, we want to make sure the wires are clear of the throttle.
Yeah, I had the holders.
Yeah, I saw it. Okay, cool. All right. Well, we'll get back on this tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.